Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 29th, 2024, our system has identified Google as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.33. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.92%. This equates to an average return of 1.46% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 1.54% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 12.9% to 1.54%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 25.84% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 11.29% and 47.15%. This corresponds to a price range of $196.02 to $259.19 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. The Google stock price increased by 2.92% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024. It rose from $171.14 to $176.14. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether it continues on this upward trend or takes a slight pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.57%, ranging from a low of $175.75 to a high of $183.78. The price has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days and has appreciated by 5.64% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a promising technical indicator. In total, 27 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 49 million shares changing hands for approximately $8.65 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $193.30, while the lowest was $124.93. Currently, the price stands 8.88%, or $17.16, below the 52-week high, and 93.03%, or $2,350.85, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of June, 2021, when the price reached $2,526.99. Google's parent company, Alphabet, has reported exceptional third-quarter earnings, surpassing Wall Street expectations, especially in its cloud segment, where revenues increased by 35% year over year. This strong performance indicates robust demand in digital advertising as we approach the holiday season, a crucial period for brands. Wall Street's estimates for Google's future earnings seem overly conservative and are likely to be adjusted upward, creating an attractive buying opportunity for investors. The current valuation of GOOG suggests it remains undervalued in comparison to tech giants such as Apple, despite its superior earnings quality and growth potential. This disconnect could lead to heightened investor interest, pushing stock prices higher in the short term. Additionally, Google's emphasis on cost control and potential increases in capital expenditure in 2025 should reassure investors, bolstering stock prices in the longer term. As the market anticipates further positive developments, including solid earnings from major tech players, this momentum could foster a bullish environment for GOOG. Overall, Google emerges as a strong investment in the tech sector, with its cloud capabilities solidifying its position as a market leader. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned Google a grade of outperform alongside a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald reported a neutral grade for Google, also with a hold action. Morgan Stanley, on that Wednesday, rated Google as overweight with a hold action. Oppenheimer similarly gave Google an outperform grade that day, paired with a hold action. Lastly, Pivotal Research reported a buy grade for Google with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide a strong buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Google. Today, the chart shows mostly positive signals. The Google stock is displaying buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which provides a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected around the levels of $168.35 and $164.97. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, September 9th, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 17.79%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, there is also a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 38 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $164.64 and $160.64. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, because if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Google finds support just below today's level at $164.64. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $160.64 and $160.54. In general, the stock tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $8.03 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 4.57%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.42%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is fairly typical, often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. Additionally, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on January 28, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $164.64. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is to buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction occurred on the 17th of June, 2024, when R. Martin Chavez conducted an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $170.12, reflecting a decline of 3.42%. This stock exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a lower risk profile. However, the relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, stands at 79, indicating a substantial increase in risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 37 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Google exhibits multiple positive indicators and is deemed a favorable investment at its current levels. We anticipate strong performance for Google stock in the near term. Our assessment has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy recommendation since the last review. After assessing the price fluctuations and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 31st of October, we expect Google to open up by $2.42, starting at $178.56. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.